Fourth quarter underway. Lakap nakawala.
Ayun, walang struggle yun.
Gusto mo na yan.
Nakakatuwa yung mga ganyang pabati, no? Mga volleyball players na nanonood ng basketball.
Estacio, pasok yan. He has found the range tonight. Lelan Estacio. Alex fades away. Left that one short. Parilaw, napulot yung rebound.
Palpal, ni Bulawan.
Maya joint. Second round, yung mga tennis fans dyan. Yan mga yan eh. Kagaya nila Boss Manny, mga one-of-one. Diba?
That's a great point.
Naagaw ng Negros. Diputado, bubukol sa tres. Yes!
Love the reaction after by Diputado.
Another offensive rebound by Sarangani. And they make them pay this time. Estacio.
Not so much real estate on that baseline and still went for the baseline drive with a beautiful move. Bulawan, nice finish.
Baba ulit sa apat ang labang. Bad pass. Ian. Soyo. Pull up. Good. Nakay Desoyo ang bola.
Sanga sa corner. Ayan na.
Libre.
Una ba?
Bulawan.
All the way to.
Oh, jab!
All the way.
Coast to coast.
Really, you know, aside from being one language, you know, international ang game, obviously, hindi lang dito sa Pilipinas. But in a way, no, na nagiging mas malalim yung relationship. Yeah, no doubt kung bakit nandito ulit si Paul Sanga sa
98-90 after that made basket. Bulawan has had a solid output tonight. They lead by 8. Kaduyak. Oh, that's a strong move. Chinigo nakawala. Good pass. Bulawan.
uy! Oh! Acrobatic! Ang ganda naman nun.
Jump shot. Desoyo. Wala. Another offensive rebound. 26 offensive rebounds. And those second chance points coming in handy for Sarangani. 8 ang abante ng Sarangani. Achi. Gandang pasa sa ilalim. Kaduyak will score. Still a lot of time though. 70 seconds remaining. Tancinco lines it up. Hook it from downtown. Pero dito pa, kailangan nilang punuin. Estacio. Pasa kay Desoyo. Travel.
Napalpal, nabalik sa kanila ang bola, pero minadali nila yun.
Di sila naka-convert. Throws it away on that possession.
I can't believe that shot.
9.4 seconds left. Kaduyak. And mawawala pa sa kanya yung bola. And that's gonna do it. Sarangani will hold on for the victory. And snapping